the things you do for your kids to make the bath time a little bit more enjoyable. You ready to see something funny? Yeah? No, you don't like that? You ready? You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
What?
Daddy!
What?